Later on we'll have an introduction, but before that, maybe we can once again let everybody who is here have an introduction. So now I request Jitinder Kumar sir to please introduce yourself.
Good evening, PG sir, Tushar ji, Sophie ji, and everyone. I am Jitendra Kumar from East Delhi. Delhi local guide, East Delhi.
Thank you, sir. Once again, welcome you.
So
And
you,
yes, we have Pramod sir. So
go ahead,
please, yeah.
Sophie. Yeah, Bijan.
Pramod sir, please unmute yourself and introduce us.
Pramod ji.
All right, no
Okay,
problem.
Pramod ji is maybe there is some problem. Yeah, I
Okay,
am
okay.
Bijon, level 8 local guide from Assam, Northeast India. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Bijon sir. We are going alphabetically, so I'll just go once again. Raghavendra sir, to please.
Yes, I am
Unmute
Raghavendra
yourself.
Naik from the Maharashtra, Miraj, and I am studying in engineering. So I am engineering student, and I am level 6 at level 6. Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us. Shreya ma'am, please.
No, Sophie, ma'am, please don't ma'am me.
With all due respect, ma'am.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our WGS 40. Like, it's not my meetup, but I'm so happy to be here with everyone. My name is Shriya Bari. I'm local guide level 8 from Mumbai, India. Nice to be here.
Thank you all. And the rest, now I hand over to Sir Tushar, the host of this meetup. So, sir, yeah, please, once again, take over, please.
Thank you so much, Sophie. Hi, everyone. My name is formally. I am a level 8 local guide. Currently, I am living in Delhi, but I belong to Pune. And today I will be your host. Today it's going to be a great evening because we have some of the top and most well-known speakers, 3 of them, not just one, 3 guests them who will speak on 3 different topics, which are some cutting-edge topics and which will be work, whether it is on LG Connect or even otherwise. Let me
Sorry,
introduce you briefly.
sorry, we are not able to hear you continuously. There's breakage happening. I hope it
Okay.
is similar to others.
Okay. No, I'm taking some pause in speaking. I also feel so good in welcoming my co-host, Vikram Bishnoi. Briefly come in and introduce yourself very shortly, your level and what you have been doing.
Hello everyone, I am Vikram Bishnoi, level 7 local guide from Rajasthan, and today I am co-host. Thank you.
Okay, I would like to intervene and welcome CT. Hi CT, it's so good to have you with us. TK,
Hi,
but in
CK.
English, so would you, CK, would you like
Yeah, please
to
introduce
say something
yourself.
about yourself? Please introduce yourself, sir.
Can't hear you. Can you unmute, please, sir? Unmute. Kindly unmute, sir. We can't hear you.
CTG, unmute. Unmute your mic by pressing on the screen.
Yeah, understood. Okay, so I will repeat once again. I'm a level 10 local guide, and now I am retired. So I'm able to spend much of the time in this activity.
You are
That's
a
all.
very famous person for introducing C_T is your ID in Connect.
Correct.
Am I right?
Correct.
Oh my God. Namaskar. Because I think
Namaskar.
we are meeting for the first time. I'm Traveler G.
Yeah.
We have been interacting at many platforms.
Yes, right.
So
In
thanks
fact,
a lot.
I remember last year you invited me for a meeting, but somehow that could not happen.
You have to join us under the banner of India Local Guides as well as Team India for a major session where we would like to hear about what are the hidden photos or private photos, public photos, etc. Your expertise in those fields, along with the Excel files which can help us to sort out the things. We would like to or love to hear from you. We will contact you privately, directly. Thank you. I wish you all the best, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for a blessing, sir.
Travel by JP. We welcome you.
Thank you.
Jean,
Would you like to say a few things? Yeah.
Introduce Jen. Nice to have you back.
Hi everyone.
Hi, Jane.
Good night from Bali.
Hi, Bali.
Good
Hi,
afternoon.
sir.
Thanks for
you.
joining us so late in the evening. Quickly brief everyone about today's topics. So we have got 3 topics. The first one will be using a virtual our Traveler G sir. The second will be adding watermark in photos by our friend Ajit Thite. And the third short on a URL. It will be covered by Anil Singh Ji. And it is my great privilege to all 3 of our guest speakers today. I will start in the reverse chronological order. I'm so happy to introduce you. Of course, many of us present here know Anil Singh Ji. He is a coach and trainer, development and capacity building for very large corporations in India and across worldwide. Anil Ji, he holds and his coaching and mentoring experience spans banking, insurance, the hospitality industry, and such. And he's instrumental in making today's meetup a reality. So a huge thanks goes to him. And in spite of all this, Anil, and today he will share some cool tips on how to make our life easy by shortening very lengthy and confusing URLs to small member links that you can share freely with everyone. So that is what he's going to cover for today. In the reverse order is Anil Thite, our friend. Anil is popular in the LG Connect community. Everyone knows him as a friend, as a philosopher. He's at level 7. He's brought up in Mumbai, basically, but he has made Pune his home for the last 20 years. That's 20 years in Pune, away from home. And Ajit's expertise lies in graphic designing, photography, and he carries with him an experience of more than 16 years in content development and e-learning, UI layout and designing. Take us through the detailed steps, and he will explain us how to add a watermark to our photos. So that is going to be a very exciting session. Taking photos, and we don't want others to use them without our permission. So putting a watermark in our photos is a very important act for our existing and new photos. And last but not the least, I'm absolutely delighted today with the privilege our mentor Traveler G sir, and as his username suggests, he has interest in traveling globetrotter. I mean, like he has traveled worldwide, and he's an acclaimed photographer and reviewer of photographs. And he's most record, which is down south in Tamil Nadu in India. He's semi-retired, but his energy is ever flowing. I mean, like retired or is working, and he has been a corporate head. Just a moment, let me read out his accomplishments. So you join with me. He's a level 10 guide with score of 280,000 points. His photo views are more than crore, and he has got 19 badges. Those are 19 badges in LG Connect. It trusted photographer, and he has posted 200 more than 200 posts in LG Connect. 20,000 likes and kudos, and I feel so proud to have him because he is our mentor, and his mantra is helping global LGs gives him happiness. So nice. So we are so privileged to have you, sir, with us, and agenda and introduction of today's our mentors. I think there is still time that we can meantime, let us check our new guest. Sophie, Shreya, would you like to welcome anyone? Oh, Devi is here. Shreya?
Yes, I will. If there's time, I guess we have 10 minutes. Shall I go with the introductions?
Yes, please.
Okay. Yeah. So, the new member we have, Aslam ji. You would like to introduce yourself? Happy to have you here. Please unmute your mic and introduce yourself.
Aslam, we can't hear you, Aslam bhai.
Ji, we can't hear you, sir. May I move ahead because we are not able to hear you?
Yeah, move to Devi.
Okay. So welcome, Devi ma'am. Nice to have you. Please introduce yourself. Okay, I'll move to the next one. Guru Krishna Priya ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, a very good evening to all. And I am Guru Krishna Priya. I am from Chennai. I am local guide 7, and I am happy to be a part of this Team India. And all the best to Tushar and Vikram for this meetup. And I am happy I could join this meetup. I'm like actually waiting to hear to Traveler Ji sir and then Ajit and Anil. And all the best to everyone.
Thank you.
Nice to have you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Pleasure to have you.
Yeah.
Yes, Devi ma'am, introduce yourself.
Hi. My name is Devi. I am from Jakarta, Indonesia, and I am level 10 local guide. Hello, everyone. Nice to meet you.
Welcome, Devi ma'am.
Hi, welcome.
Next, we have Kasif Bhai. Please introduce yourself. Unmute your mic.
Okay, so I am Kasif from Karachi, Pakistan, and I am level 10 local guide.
Kashif ji, namaskar.
But now he left. I want to Namaskar. I want to meet him. I want to talk to him. He is a very genius person of your Indian local guide. I want to say about him that
Yes,
connect.
sir. We are
इधर
delighted
देखता
to.
हूँ उधर तू ही तू है. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Next we have Muthu Aram. Will you please unmute your mic and introduce yourself? Okay, we'll move to the next one. Namlesh, please introduce yourself, unmute your mic.
Hi Shreya, hello everyone and namaste to all senior judges. Tushar sir, thank you so much. The way you introduced our panelists, now it's very good. And all the best to Tushar sir and Vikram. And thanks to you Shreya once again. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank
Nice
you,
to have
Namlesh.
you.
Thank you.
Next we have Ramchandra Subedi. Sorry if I misread it. Please unmute your mic and introduce yourself. Ramchandra ji. Okay, we'll move to the next one. We have Naresh Darji ji. Please unmute your mic and introduce yourself. Naresh ji.
Yes. Hello everyone. I am Naresh Darji, level 9 local guide from Gujarat, India.
Thank you for joining, sir. Next we have Neeta ma'am. Please unmute your mic and introduce yourself.
Hi, hi. This is Neeta BC from New Delhi, India. Local guide level 9. Thank you.
Nice to have you, ma'am. Next we have Sunik, FTUKWK. Okay, Sunik, please unmute your mic and introduce yourself.
Hello to all my brother and sister from all region. I'm Suni from Malang district, Jawa Timur province, Indonesia. I'm hello to everyone. Now it's night in here. I hope all of you is keep healthy and very well in this situation. Thank you so much to Brother Tushar make this meeting for to all us, and the topic is very good. I hope all of us will enjoy this meeting tonight. Thank you.
Thank you. Nice to have you here. Next we have T. Patnaik, sir. Please unmute your mic and introduce yourself.
Hello, good evening everyone. This is T. Patnaik from Kolkata, level 9 local guide. Thank you.
Nice to have you, sir.
Thank you for being with us, Naresh ji, and so many seniors, including Kashyap ji, particularly CT ji and Patnaik ji. Thanks a lot. Over to Shreya.
Next we have Yago ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, I'm Yashoda. I'm a local guide level 6 from Mumbai. And who is CT? Who is C underscore T? Let me know, let me see. I've been so curious.
Yes, your effort he has come in.
Where is he?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, I can see that. I can see that.
I'm here.
I admire your comments always. First of all, sir, I find it very difficult. I'm a Maharashtrian, but I have not studied Marathi since 8th standard in school, which was 100 years ago, okay? But because of you, I started reading Marathi again. So, hello. Lovely to be here.
Very good.
It's really very privileged to have you, sir. CK sir. Thank you for being with us. Next we have Yatindra Pandey. Please unmute your mic and introduce yourself.
Namaskar सभी को. I am Yatindra from Gorakhpur, level 8 local guide. Naresh, Dora, Anil ji, welcome here, and I'm really happy to meet you again on this platform. Thank you.
Nice to have you.
My pleasure.
Next,
Thank
I'd
you
like
very
to. And please unmute your mic and introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, I'm Anne from Thailand. Nice to meet you all here, and thank you everyone for having me here.
Nice to have you, Anne. I guess we're done with the introductions. So I request Tushar sir to please go again with the agenda in a brief for 2 minutes, because a lot of members have added on now, so they will get an idea about it. Over to you, sir.
With the presentations. We can start with the presentations.
Okay.
Travelology, sir, or maybe he wants to give a background on any other topic he wants to brief. I have already announced the detailed agenda for today. We have got 3 topics today. First one will be by Travelology, sir. Travelology, sir, can you please come in and brief us about
Yes.
today's topic?
Yeah.
You are going.
Yes,
If you would like to tell us about our group.
Yes. First, I will just give a hint about today's presentation. We will have 2 parts. That is, one, a quick run of a PowerPoint, which gives you an idea about how to go about the virtual background in Google Meet. So one quick idea so that you will have what we are going to do in the live. That is the part 2. I hope admin should, there are people coming, admin should attend them. Coming back. So there will be 3 topics, out of which one is virtual background, and another by our Ajit, watermark. That's very important. Again, Anilji will be presenting our shortening of URL, or what we call as the, one second. Yes, so these are the things. Back to you. Are we going as per our time flow? Then there is something left. Can we just have a look at that? Meanwhile, I will also take this opportunity to introduce our mission called CL21, or Team India, and India Local Guides. So India Local Guides, which is the parental system of Indian Local Guides, and Team India is an initiative under the India Local Guides, a mission which is learn through sharing. Or I think one request, I'm just pausing that. I request Jason ji, please, you may have to log out and log in. You are not getting the admit. It is coming to be me, so not able to concentrate. Yes. Our mission of Team India is, I'm sorry again, Tusharji, you have to you have to continue little time till Jason sir takes over. So please continue with the introduction. I'm sure there are people still waiting because yeah, I think Jason will come in and take over the admin to admit.
Okay, fine, sir.
Shall I go first?
Yes, Shriya, you can please.
Next, we have LG Amrish Bhai. Please unmute your mic and introduce yourself.
Hello. Yeah. I'm a
Rish Vashne, a level 10 local guide from New Delhi. That's, I think, enough.
Nice to have you, sir.
Amritji, namaskar.
Namaskar,
Very good
sir.
evening.
Good evening.
Thanks
good
a lot for your kind presence.
evening. Thank you very much.
So, welcome, sir. So, I just would request, are you getting, Jason, are you getting the admits? So,
I've
yeah.
tried to re-log in, sir. Let's see.
I'm here. I'm
still
here.
I have not yet got.
Yes, I mean, now I think it is okay. So I'll just continue. Let's see, we have been trying to groom through a team of people supported by many, including Amritji and many others are in the admin board of the grooming. And we are very happy that, you all are today available with us, present with us. So this also, we have a core team of people who have been supporting this mission, which is who are very important content of our teaming, because they really do a lot of work behind the screen to make this series of sessions happening. We have 2 series of sessions happening. One is weekly on Saturdays between 6 to 7, and another one is third Sunday, almost like third Sunday of the month, that is on Sunday between 6:30 to 8 p.m. That is second monthly one is inspirational meetups, and the weekly ones are on knowledge sharing basis. So this is, as I told you, the India Local Guides are joining hands together under the banner of Team India as an initiative to share the knowledge. I think I would like to introduce my team also. Our team who are, we are getting a team in the active front end. They are Jason, who is also a corporate employee, and Anil Singh, who already been introduced. Ajit Titte, yes, today he is also going to share the dash with us. Gurupriya, yes, madam, you have been one of the backbones of this mission right from 2018 or 19. Bijon, Tusharji, who was joined recently, but he has been putting a lot of effort to cover up the gaps and grooming the collaboration. Bijon, Sophie, Pramod, Falguni, Karan, Shriya, and Vikram are also the team members who are teaming up. So I'm sorry, my attention distraction is still happening. Ajitji, can you also log out and try? Because still admit is coming on my table.
Okay, sure.
Yes, please. Then can I start with our session itself? Because we are on 6.
Now I accept, sir, just to
okay, done. Yes, thank you. So then, we will start the presentation straight away. And I would request you to understand the session will have 2 parts. That is, one part we will be going through the slides, just briefly explaining what is what, that is regarding the virtual background in Google Maps. So, so just 10 seconds to start the presentation. And the second session, we will have the live. Let's see how we can do it. So there, I would request you that something is not clear. I would request you to put it in the chats so that our team members will attend to it immediately. Yes, we are starting. If it is visible to you, please let me know. Anilji, is the...
No, it is coming up. It is coming up.
Okay.
Yes, now it's okay.
Yes. It's full screen for you, no? Right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So, yes. So, sir, I will start with, without any other introduction, I'm on 606 and CL21 World Team India for Global LG's system, which comes under India Local Guides activities. How to add virtual background for your Google Meet is this session. So this is, I would like to say that this particular session we are focusing on settings for Google Chrome for PCs. I'm repeating, it is Google Chrome. And the next visit Chrome Web Store is our first activity. So we have two activities which we will be discussing now. One is how to get the Chrome extension, and second is how to get the photo published or your background published. So here it is. Where to start? Browser is known to you, and we have Google Chrome, and Google Chrome browser should be familiar to you all. In case if you are not familiar with that, kindly put it in the chat. We will try to explain it at the end of the session or some session where we have time. Next, open the Google, open the Google browser and type Chrome Web Store. Chrome Web Store. Type this Chrome Web Store so that you land up in a page which has got, which has this HTTPS. So this file will be published so that you can refer it. Chrome Web Store. Open the Chrome Web Store and type in the search session, type visual effect for Google Meet. Actually, if you type visual effect itself, you will get it. Once again, I am requesting you to follow me. We are opening Google Chrome. It's a browser, and within the browser, we type Chrome Web Store in the Google search. You will end up in a page looking like this, okay? Or you will end up in a page which is looking like this. If you land up in this particular page, use Chrome Web Store, and then you will surely land up in this page where top left there is a search window. In the search window, you can type visual effect, and the result will be, along with this, something else also can be there. But if visual effects for Google Meet, if you fully type, you will get this screen. And please remember this logo or the icon and visual effects for Google Meet. There is one more very close to this. Kindly don't attempt that because that doesn't work properly. This also, I am not telling this is a foolproof, zero error item. This is something like, I would say 90% to 95% success rate you can expect in this. Once you get this visual effects for Google Meet, right side you will get Add to Chrome, a blue button. Click on this Add to Chrome button, and next, now open. Now that much is what is to do without the Google Chrome. So quickly, when we go through the live, you will have more idea. Now just remember, so the first part is over, and the second part is through Google Chrome we have to log in for the meetup. We will try and do the same thing in the live. So we will have to paste the link. You can see how it is. Paste the link, https://meet.com, whatever, blah blah. It comes, that can be pasted into the URL, and that's how we start with that. Next, when you log into Google Meet to attend a host or any meet, the following message will appear for the first time, and in case if you are reloading also, this will happen, loading the plugins. This is because we have added an extension which needs plugins to be loaded. So that is getting loaded when we will see. Sometimes in my case, because I have already been using, it may not happen, but then you will have this plugin message coming flashing and going, then the plugins being installed. This is what usually it comes for a fraction of a second sometimes. Sometimes it may remain for a few seconds. Once you are into the Google Meet, on the left side of the screen, there will be a tab, slightly visible tab, not fully visible. To make it fully visible, what we can do is take the mouse cursor to the tab. So if you take the mouse, the red arrow is wrongly shown. When you bring the mouse to the tab comes out fully. It will be fully visible. Then for this particular effect, there are many effects they have provided, including background blurring, including start, type, giving text. Then in the middle you get, let me explain, focusing on one item, otherwise we will lose the track. So here on this screen, green screen, you can see here. So this one is what we are looking at. And what is to be done is, you have to have your photo ready. First, click on the background, upload background button. Okay. Second, select virtual and default. So select virtual. And then third, check that green screen checkbox. So this may take few seconds. That means there are few things which you have to remember, which I will explain it little later. So this is the way it will start. Once the checkbox is checked, it may take a couple of seconds to reach here. Now, so always, as per the Google norms and what is the best practices, we believe that let us try to use our own images or collect totally royalty-free images from the Google, which is stated as you can commercially use it and free of cost. There are many images available like that. That's an option which you get in the Google search, which I think many of you may be knowing, few of you may not know. So in some of the quick question answer session, we will give that in the next week. The aspect ratio of the photo, for the best aspect ratio, of course, is in the Google platform, it is 16:9 or 9:16. And the resolution of a photograph can be in 16:9, any ratio being the same, any number of pixels is okay, but remember, it is going to take time. So keep it at mediocre level so that the quality will be good, but the size also will be small. That is, I'm talking about the MB. Let it be in KB, 800 KB or 900 KB size will upload fast. When you are doing this process, I'm showing you once again this, the first option, upload the photo which you need as the background. In this process, keep the file 16:9, not 9:16, 16:9, that is landscape mode. And also we will tell you how to reach that separately. 16:9, and that also within 1000, that is 1 MB, so that will get loaded fastly and it will not load your system also. So next, so you will get the end result in this way. So this is the end of this session in the slide. So I'm just keeping it aside, and if anybody has any question now, Jason G, can you just attend? Meanwhile, I'll load the next one. Question and answers, and any technically competent person can give the answers. I'm quitting this if you are permitting me. Any questions, please? So we will go to
That was a really great introduction, sir. I guess everyone got it perfectly, and there seems no questions. So I guess we are good to go for the next session.
Okay. Thank you. So we stop sharing and we will be starting the next Google another sharing or presentation. Yeah, I'm ready. So in this case, kindly be more attentive so that you can follow. Anilji or Shreya, can you see my?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is visible.
Visible. So from here, this much I hope everybody is clear about. Now I have opened, our Google Chrome, and this is just a browser which is typical Google Chrome browser. And here we are going to type Web Chrome Store, W. So I have been typing that many times, so it is already available. Hope you can see it there. So Web Chrome, okay. So I am still doing it. Web Chrome Store or Chrome Web Store. Any of this will bring you, I think. I'll show that also. Web Chrome. So say, but anyway, you can type. So here it is coming in this way. In some browsers, it may come in a different way. However, this Chrome Web Store is our aim. I'm repeating, Chrome Web Store is our aim. So I am just pressing it, which is familiar to you all. I am pressing it. So, and we are getting a page which has got a search box. The search box under Chrome Web Store is what we are going to take. Of course, I need not say we have to log in using our credentials, and then only we should do it. So use your user ID and password of the Gmail of your Gmail, which you have dedicated to Google operations. So here we are going to type what? Visual effects. Visual effects for Google Meet, right? So before pressing, you can have a look once again. Visual effects for Google Meet. Shall I enter? Yes. So as I told you, there are, luckily we got this as the first, okay, and you can see visual effects for Google Meet. So this one, you can see this one is the screen. You can go and see the details if you want, but we don't want to divert our attention. Otherwise, we may lose concentration. So this is the item, and the button will be add to Chrome. Since I have already added, I am getting the option to rate it, whereas I have done it. So we are not going to rate. So for you, for the first time, you will have to add, this is only one time for your information, add to Chrome. Okay. And if you press add to Chrome, it will ask you add the extension or not. If you say add, it will go away. Okay. I'm just adding just for your purpose. That's all. So now checking added, magnifying glass has been added. So the same way, and now our mission or our work with Chrome Web Store is over, right? And now we are going to enter the meetup. Okay. So I hope up to here everything is clear, right? So can we do one thing? I'll have to reload because this part is over. I'm stopping the sharing, and then we will start again with the next session. Can Tusharji or Ajayji, somebody can just interact with them? Shreya, Sophie, please.
Sir, we have one question.
Yeah.
What question?
Everyone is curious to know that is this platform available for mobile app or Android platform? Can we do these extensions on mobile or not?
Answer is no. They have not. Chrome browser is available for mobile, but these extensions are presently not enabled for mobiles as of now. Mobile, pads, both, only for PCs, personal computers with the laptop or desktop, all that this effect is available. Over. Any other question?
No, sir, the same.
So that's why I explained it to only Chrome and for PCs. Okay, and let me come back again. Yes, so we will be starting again from the zero. Okay, I have this meetup which has been copied. So that is today our meetup I'm talking about. I'll just start again with the yes. So I am starting how we are going to join in a Google Meet through browser. Okay, so I'm starting the streaming. You can look at that. One way, there are so many ways you can log in through many ways, and only one way we are talking about is Anilji, can you see?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So this is only one way, and there are many ways, including you can log in through Google Invitation. You can log in through your calendar. You have the calendar here. They use the calendar to log in if you have saved the meetup in the calendar, or you can even go through meetup using the meetup link. There are so many ways which you can do it, but all should be through again here. So this is what we are going to do. I have copied today's meetup link in my Control C. I have done it. I am going to Control V here. This is the meetup. https meet.google.com dpk something hfu. This is hfu. This one is our permanent weekly meetup link. You all can notice it. You need not wait for this is the permanent link. So we are going to press enter button. If you enter, we will be reaching this button. Okay, plugins being installed. You might have seen that comes for only fraction of a second because I've been regularly using it. Hope you got me. So I'm sure I'm going to join with the sound muted. Join. You are seeing my screen. Hope up to here it is clear, and then I will quit because this will happen. I know it. So we are back to. I'm going to stop the presentation there, and now you have to see. Oh, I have that problem. Okay, I'll have to. You'll have to excuse me too. Can you? This session. Oh, that logical problem is happening. So what I will have to do? 1 second. Give me that. Okay. Yes, I'll continue from there. I'm still going to do the same thing. Give me 10 seconds more. I just allow me 10 seconds extra. So I'll just start over. I'll just start over presentation. Please. And I've seen you. All the best. Hi.
Yeah.
Yes. I hope you can see my presentation, and I'm just switching off. The presentation is visible, sir?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We can see it.
Okay. So then I'm just repeating that the meetup we are entering. Okay. And the plugin being installed. I'm just repeating the same, and I'm going to join. And this time we should not get the event link. So, and can you hear me? Echo?
Yes.
Oh, still.
Yes, sir. It will be a.
1 second. This looping is happening. So this I have not noticed earlier because this portion I have not gone through. Just let me. Any technical person can have any idea about this? This looping. 1 second. I'm just looking at the possibility to. Then 1 second. This was not present earlier. So rather I did not notice this screen
because you are showing the same screen.
Yeah. I understand. Technically, I understand. Anybody has got the because I have to quit means that. Okay. Okay.
No issues, sir. I guess we will solve that in background, and we shall move towards our next session.
Yeah. Meanwhile,
Sir,
then,
is it okay? We proceed.
Yes, you can proceed with the next topic, and from here, that is showing from the badge, which should have been, which you can see now here. This is what is going to be the important one. By the time, let me quickly try to find a solution for this, at least to a separate camera. So I'm sure our Ajit can take over.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Ajit, you can.
This is about adding watermark to photos. This is very basic treatment I'm going to show you with the available resources and minimum fuss, because this is like watermarking is very important as far as the photographs we put on the internet. Basically, it is a digital thought about it, because most of the people we post our photos on the internet, and we have that in our mind that if somebody uses that, and then it's a problem, some content is issue. So keeping in mind, I'm just will show you on very simplest way to add the watermark with the available resources on your personal computer. This is specifically about the personal computer, and this is like what we do in a simplest way, the easiest module. So
sorry, sir, the slide is not in full screen.
yeah, and just show it. Put it. Now?
Yes, sir. Now.
Yeah, it's
okay.
perfect. Thank you,
So
sir.
these are the points is about why watermarks are the reasons why people want to have a watermark. It's about the consent and permission to use, because they don't want anybody, other people or anybody else to use their photograph, and the result of that, the quality of that to be maintained, and it's they're proud, and because we make a lot of efforts to take those photographs and post it on internet on digital platform, and people may misuse them or like pronounce that it's there, and then it's all fuzz happen, it's mess later on. So it's like putting up the ownership and branding of our photograph using the watermark on them, and it also looks very professional. So these are the kind of examples what we can see. These are the photographs which watermarked by the web portal. If you don't purchase it, you will get these kind of watermarks on it, and this is only, you cannot use it professionally unless until you purchase them. And this is the mobile also put their watermark. If you use them smartphones, they use their watermark over there, so they will tell you that this is a watermark. And this is the watermark I have tried on my photo, one of my photographs, which is in the corner. And these are the examples of so Jason sir is also, that's mine also. So these are the watermarks we use it, and this is the watermark example which we should avoid. The kind of watermark we should put it, like crossing the entire photo or keeping in the center of attraction, and that makes the photograph really bad to view, and the entire photo get quality loss also. And today we'll look into watermark using simple two file formats. One specifically we look into, that is PNG, the portable graphic format, which is considered with highest quality of transparent image and lossless. It's literally lossless. When you resize it or rework on that, the loss of that image is very less, and it's given a transparency or semi-transparency to your image that as a watermark it is very useful to use. And so let's move ahead, and these are the like importance of PNG file format, the most frequently used for the internet. That is what I said, because it provides a high quality and the transparency. There are PNG 8 and PNG 24. We can discuss later on that. And these are the common types of watermark normally people use. It's at least text or logo, image, or combination of both. With the reduced opacity, opacity is kind of opaqueness. We put it less, so some background also visible, but still you can view the watermark also. That's a semi-transparent state we look into. So on the PC, which is the best resources available, or the software available. So first of all, creating PNG is important, then putting up a watermark. So to create the PNG, the simplest method I found it at least, and we found it like it's a MS PowerPoint, which is normally every PC possesses. We have that on our PC, and it is very useful and very common software available. And another one is Fastone Image Resizer, which is it's a freeware, and it's very small and it's very compact as well. But with the maximum feature, you can just imagine into that as a image editor or formatting is concerned. So let's move ahead with the PowerPoint, the text version, how we'll get the PNG out of PowerPoint. So if you open the PowerPoint, you see the screen, and if you right click on that screen, then you can just say the format background and put up a dark color over there. So when you're going to type text into that, so it will be easy to read. Clarity will be more. So that's why we are making it a background. And since we are going into transparent using only text, so how it will be transparent? That is the fun of it. So let's try and apply all. So I've typed my name here in that first text field, which is a title field, which is giving a maximum size of font. But still, I type my name over there, and I just increase the font size, for more clear vision of it. View also, I set it to 120, and then just right click on that text field. So if there's a right click, a dialog box comes up with save as picture. Just click on that, and it automatically goes as a PNG. That's the best part of it, and you can name that file whichever you appropriately thought about and save it. Then further, you can see that it's a transparent. When you see in your Explorer, you will see that it's a transparent, and visibility of that semi-transparency is also there. So this is the simplest way of making PNG, and the preferable dimensions of the PNG is minimum is 550 by 80, and then you can increase or make it, because that's a readability or preferable image size for PNG for watermarking anybody. So that's we keep it as well. And then we'll use that Fastone Image Resizer. This is a tool which is available to download on this website. I'll put this website path in the chat box as well. And the best part is the installer is only 1.67 MB, the lowest you can get across. And it's a flash of second it gets installed, and you can open it and just let us see the features of that. It's a very simple, but it has a lot of features. It's loaded with that, and one of the more important part is watermarking the image. That's the feature we are concentrating, and that's the only feature we are concentrating right now, because we don't have to look right now to look into that deep. So let's start using that Fastone. So this is the UI of the Fastone application. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see that the path of the folder from which we are going to select the image for watermarking and formatting. And on the right side, input list, where we'll add into that, select the image and add into that input list, or we can drag and drop from our Explorer also. That's the simplest way we can use it here. And I have already posted, like in the screenshot, you can see that there are a couple of images I already put it over there, which I'll select the image IMG image first, and I'll add it here in the input list. You can see the preview of that image already below in the small area there, and the dimension of that file also mentioned over there. So this is a very very useful tool. Very small, minimum size. You can it's available free. So nothing like it when it comes to free and giving us so much of output and so much things work on that. So now to how to set the watermark using this. So let's go for watermarking. So just click on the advanced option out here, and this advanced option dialog box tab box will open. And there are several tabs out here, but we'll just concentrate on a watermark. So let's go to that tab, and it's right. Just click the checkbox of add watermark here. So once we open that, the entire UI of watermarking will come in a picture, and you'll see that the already default watermark of Fastone is it's placed at the bottom of the screen, and the various options available for us for watermarking. Let's look into the, because the important part is position. Let's say there are so many options available for positioning that watermark on your photo. So it's a top left, top center, top right, center. There are many of them available. Let's keep it the default bottom right, and let's move ahead. So here we will select the path and select the image for watermark, which we already created from MS PowerPoint. And we'll just select that, and we'll go ahead, and there's the watermark image path. We can view it here, and also the image we can view in that the screen or the screen there. And let's get just for the sake of that, we'll reduce the opacity to 50%, and let's hit OK. So now we are back to the main screen where we say that there are a couple of things we can look into here. Is now we can rename this file. This is an option available here to rename the file as per your requirement, and you can copy the hash files that I have used, which gives you the 00. When it goes export, it gives its own number like 001, 002, 003. If you want to have a batch processing, that's a different story altogether. But next is output folder. Now we haven't selected. Now we'll select the output folder by clicking the checkbox next to it. And I have already put up the path over there. You can browse and select that, which on the right hand side you can see the watermark output folder I have already created. I have set the path to there, and we have now two pictures ready. One we have already selected in watermark, and one we have kept it in input list on which photo we are going to put that watermark. So let's go and try converting that into final output. So just click on convert, and here is the convert dialog box, which says that which gives the output that whether it's 100% complete or what is the status of that, and that gives it. Now let's click done and see the file. So it's in that watermark output folder. It's already there, and we'll see the output of that. So you see here it's like on Ajit Tite, the text which we have PNG we created from PowerPoint, and it's there with that we set up the opacity to 50% and place it on the bottom right. So it is there on the bottom right corner. So everything is a very simple process. The other part of that, whatever you want to make it, like your textual or anything like changes, you can make it. This is another example, just an example of JPEG file as a watermark, just for the sake of example out there. So this is the very simplest method. You can go forward because available resources, and Fastone is a freeware and very compatible and easy to use, easy to maneuver around and learn a lot, which maximum feature you can get into the freeware possibly. And that's the best part about this tool for watermarking. And this is about watermarking using mobile. Yes, it is possible, but it's an app, that photo editor app, which is available again the similar fashion as a Fastone, which is less known around the circle, and this is also very less known around the circle on mobile users. But this is a wonderful app. We'll talk about it in the next session. It's a huge session because it links so many things into that. So this is it about it. This is the very simplest method to understand, to work from PowerPoint, which is every PC possesses, and the fast track. So any questions about that? If anybody have any questions, yeah. Okay, I'll post
First of all, that was a very terrific, very wonderful presentation. Now, all of a sudden, I am feeling very assured that all my photos they will all be safe. And many of our attendees have said that from now, all their existing photos, which is in fact a very good practice. I mean, like we should go back to our old photos, which we feel that they are very important. We should start watermarking them.
Yeah.
And the questions were same what you said. Most of our users globally, they are using mobile more. Of course, we take a photo from the mobile phone. So there and then itself mark that will be best. So we don't have to copy to desktop and then.
Yes, it's possible through mobile. I'll take the session because that application we need to go through completely. Because that is also one application which allows us to do the both watermarking for PNG conversion and the watermarking also. And if you can use PowerPoint in mobile, that is very difficult. But yes, but this one tool can help you doing both. But that's a very tricky to show it right now. But it has to be a one session, complete session, going through from 1 to 100. That will be easy for me to explain that.
Let's try to keep it in the next session itself, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
thank you, everyone.
There's one question regarding our first one. The loading one photo or multiple photo. Can we drag and drop into the window?
You can drag and drop. As I said, that if you minimize that photo fast on viewer and keeping the Explorer, Windows Explorer behind, just select the number of photos and just drag and drop into input folder. You can drag and drop also. That's the best part of it actually.
Input box, we can drag and drop. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Good.
Yeah. And you can multiply as a batch processor also, but that's a different story. That's an advanced level. So this is a basic level. We can fundamental, like basic level first, and then we can go ahead and that. Just practice first, because it's not a joke to put a watermark, because that's the photo we do is very important to us and close to our heart. So why we get somebody else to use it on their name?
Okay, Ajit, we have got a question. Can we do it directly on JPG and not on PNG? Is it possible it's from Aarti?
It's like
right?
JPG on the base photo as a JPG?
Yeah, the watermark. Can we do it on
photograph as a JPG?
No,
yes.
Can we do? No. Can we do watermark on JPG?
Yes. Using JPG also, on JPG also. Both.
Not there in JPG.
No, both.
Okay.
JPG or photo also can be used, but the size should be very small. That is probably the answer they are looking for. Ajitji.
Yeah. That's the last the example I have shown it. I'll show it again. The watermark is very small in the size also.
Okay. Yeah, that is also very important.
Yes, as per the general
norms.
Would want
every photo I take.
Sir, once again, the average coverage should not be more than 15%. That's what we professionals we say. 15% of the total area, and try to be away from the so-called the main area. Yes, over.
So this is the example I can show you, that is at the bottom, and the entire photo is viewable, but this is at the bottom. This is a JPEG on JPEG. Hope it is clear now.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I think. Because the common perception is that, please go ahead.
Ajit sir, there is actually I have a doubt. If we are going to use a watermark very small to a corner, others can use our pictures by cropping it, right?
Ma'am, that is always, that fear is always there.
Okay.
That fear
Because
is always there. If
only
you want
goes
to,
to some corner. Yeah.
yeah, people do that, but it's only in, I think it's only in US they have this law of if you cut the watermark, that is also illegal.
Okay.
So here I don't think so we have that law, but it's in US. Yes, I know that it is illegal. If you, they know that if you update his photo is published with the watermark and if somebody used it by cutting that portion, then that is also illegal. But I don't know about the what we do out here, the rest of the world. But yes, it's in US, it is there.
Okay.
Ajit, one question is there. One question. Sorry, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Enough.
Question is there that can we it's regarding watermark. So can we upload a photo to Google Maps, which is?
I don't think so. But that we need to clarify from the
Sorry. Yes.
TG sir, please.
Yes. We have full right to do that. Only thing is, we should not obstruct the main part of the right. Day one onwards have been, it's in thousands of or 10,000s of photos I have given with our watermark only. Yes, it is appreciated only. Yes.
So
Yeah, that is very nice to hear.
Yeah,
Yes,
what
that is
TG
fantastic.
means is that you should not cover the watermark. Watermark should not cover the area which we are emphasizing emphasizing in Google Map.
Exactly.
So if you're showing
Right.
showing the photo of a shop and you put a watermark on the name of that shop and the entire that watermark is covering the shop, that doesn't look good. That is not permitted. What you can have it as a bottom of the word. I think that is the point TG sir want to make. Am I right, Chris sir? Please clarify.
Exactly.
My question is, I am Rosie Kohli. Suppose if someone puts a watermark and it's not been seen, can Google detect it? Suppose if I'm taking that picture and posting it, can Google detect it that this is not my picture and it has watermark? Suppose someone is taking a picture and posting in the comment section or somewhere else. Can Google detect it that this is not my picture I've taken from somewhere and I'm not giving the credit to that person? So can it detect that picture?
Yes, ma'am. Most of the cases they will detect. Most of the cases they will. If one
And the
photo,
moderators of Google. Yeah.
yes,
Please go ahead.
very clear. This question is very clear. Please don't post same photo taken by TG in two places, the restaurant A and restaurant B. I cannot post the same Saravana Bhavan photo of masala dosa I have taken, so another Saravana Bhavan I cannot post it. The same way, you are also not permitted to duplicate your own photos. I think that was the question.
No, sir. My question is, suppose I'm taking your photo. TG sir, I'm taking your photo and you don't know. I've steal your photo and posted in Google comment. So can Google catch me that this is not my photo? Sometimes some of them have done it. I saw them and they have not given the credit to the person whose photo has been taken. So can Google detect that this is not my photo?
Yes.
This is a question of ownership of that photo. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, most of the cases.
May I come in?
Yes.
One moment. Rosie madam is asking that something different. Rosie madam, you are asking about the Google Map Connect, or you are asking about you are writing something on your post?
Yeah,
both the
Google
places we have to
Local Guide
place the
Connect.
control.
Local Guide Connect. I had seen one person. He had taken someone's photo and posted it, and that I'm asking. And it didn't have watermark, but she had posted that photo before. So, like this, can Google catch that person? No.
It doesn't matter, madam, if watermark
Very
is
good
there or not.
question and intelligent question, madam. However, since this is done something mischief kind of thing, at time Google artificial intelligence is smart enough to catch hold of the thing. So my advice will be there: why to take chance? Don't do it, or whomsoever it may be doing it, they should be avoided. If you are not caught, it is okay. But if you are caught, you are a thief. Over.
Yes.
Yeah, they will deduct, they just cut off you from the connect as well, and they can delete your account as a Google Map also if they
No,
find
he
that.
was not caught, but they wrote them on personal that this is my photo, you have taken from my photo. So
Yeah,
that I'm asking.
Shall I answer this?
Yeah, please.
Actually, any person who knows that the photo is not theirs, they can report in Google. If someone reports it, then it will be a problem to us.
Yeah.
If someone reports, like actually, as you told, ma'am, you are using Traveler G sir photo, but if someone finds it is a traveler, it's a Traveler G photo, and if they report it, then it will be a problem.
Yeah.
They will not take away you from the Google account, but they will delete that post.
Yeah, they will give you.
Yeah, they won't even give you warning. They will delete your account.
Yes.
Google does that.
Sometimes they will remove the post also. They will tell that the post like
They have done that. They have done that. I have seen that they have removed that post. Yeah, giving that heads up to that person, you are using somebody else's photo, because sometimes Google has that history of the photo. If you have saved it on if you have taken from the mobile particularly and saved it on your Google Photos, they have the history of your photo. So it's easy for them to find out via their AI and find the history of that photo. Yes, definitely. Rightly, ma'am said that they can delete that post. It's a wrong practice itself.
Yeah, they didn't report. I saw and I told this photo I've seen somewhere, but they didn't report. So that I wanted to confirm Google can find out or not.
Yes,
Thank
they can
you,
find
sir.
out. If they are not, then that person is lucky.
Anil ji, are you ready with your exciting topic about URL shortening? Because
thank you everyone. Thank you for listening to me.
It's very.
Over to
Sorry,
Anil
Ajit.
ji.
Yeah, that was
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ajit ji, for such a wonderful
Ajit, thank you.
presentation. And
Yeah,
thank you very much, and congratulations to all the such a wonderful and patience-full, lovely audience.
Good one, Tushar sir.
So that's what we know everywhere, wherever we, and that's why I come in the last also. So everybody is looking for short and sweet, isn't it so?
Yes,
Be it
sir.
a lecture,
Very
be
true.
it a demonstration, be it a session, we are running short of time. So everybody would like to be short and sweet.
Yeah,
So
only the smiles are broader and laughter is hard.
So what I'll be looking for it, right? Whatever kind of URL, it is very difficult to remember. At least myself, I cannot recall any URL. Such a long, this alphabetical order and all zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. So how we can get it legally reduced it? All right. So I'll be discussing in a very short span of time, as my topic is also short. So I have to be short and sweet. Okay. So as you know, how many of you know about KISS? KISS KISS? Anyone? You can leave your comment in chat box also. I don't mind.
And short.
Yes.
Keep it short.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am. Keep it short and
Keep
sweet.
it simple, stupid. Keep it simple, stupid.
So as the topic itself says, how we can reduce the TILI URL as per Google, that I'll be discussing and showing it to you in a very short span of time. First, what I'll be showing in the demo part, and then I'll show you the live part. So you have to write that Google Chrome. You can write down Bitly, BITYLI, okay? And then this page will be opening. And from there, you can go to the Bitly page, okay? So what will be the step? From here, you will come to here, and from here, you can come to here.
Anil sir, sorry to interrupt. Can you hide that that small window which is down?
Am I audible?
Just to next. Yeah, just next to that stop sharing. If you can just hide it.
One
below,
moment.
below.
One moment. Is it okay?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it
Yes, sir.
okay?
Right.
Thank you. Thank you very much for helping me. So this is where we can go for the page, and in page there you have to come down to the here part. Okay, you don't have to look for anything. You come down and directly come to the here part. There will be blue letter word. You have to click it here, When you click it here, the next page will be opening. Like here, it will be a signing page. Here you can sign with Google also, or you can Google with username, password, or you can start with your email ID, and you can do it here also. So better you can go with the Google. That's what my suggestion is. Otherwise, you can go with the user ID and password. Okay. And then the next page will open like this. Here we can use it, username, password, and then you can sign up. Post signing up, this you'll be coming to the Bitly page, the bitly.com. Okay. In this page, you can see this is the create, the orange button. Okay. Before going to the create, whatever URL you want to copy, you can copy it and you can paste it here. So post create, this will be opening. This is the first page. Okay. In this page URL, the long URL, whatever you have copied, no, you can paste it here and post it. It will look like something like this. Okay. And after that, you have to create here, create, and this URL will be shortening over here. Then you put the save. So after saving, you can come quickly to here. Okay, enter here. You can copy that, and after copying that, you can send it to the WhatsApp, Word file, whatever it may be. Okay. So again, the step, paste long URL over here. Okay. Then you can copy the long URL over here, and then it will be create, and then save, and then you can go to the copy. From copy, you can come to the next page. Now, whether my link has been shortened out, which is right or wrong, you can check it up. Again, copy that and press it here. After pressing it here, you are reaching directly to that page or not. That I'll show you right now at the live demo. Okay. So that page has been opened. So this is what my showing the theoretical part. Now I will come back to the practical part.
Anilji, customization also you have to tell us. Customization of the back half.
I will come to the live demo. So here I open the Bitly. Clear? Now, after Bitly, you have entered this one. The new page has been already opened. Okay. Now coming back to the create part. So suppose I have gone to this is our meetup. So what I have done, I have copied this address bar, copy, and then come back to the Bitly, and here we can come to the create part. So here you can see the long URL has to be pasted. You have pasted the long URL. Wait for 5 seconds. It has already made it. Now up to Bitly you have to do it. Here you don't do it. So if you click it here, it will show this much only up to Bitly /. Beyond that, don't touch. Here you want whatever you want, you can write it and post that. It will be showing you save. You have done the saving part. Since I've already saved, link has been edited. Can you see that? Now here you can copy. I have done the copy part, and that copy you can check it up. Open the new page, paste it here, enter. So if you are able to reach that page, that means your link has been created. Now I'll request somebody to put any URL in the chat box. So the page has been opened. Is it okay? Now anybody would like to have a trial? Is it okay? This is the live demo, and that was the theoretical part which I have shown to you. Now I'll invite you for the question. Any question, any suggestion, you can come back.
Sir, we would like to know the customization part. The second half can be written. What all can be written? What cannot be written? Thank you.
Fantastic. So you are asking about the customization part. I'll show you the customization part. You can come to the customization part. Okay.
But you are not visible.
Yes.
Your presentation is not visible.
Is it now visible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Fine. Now, say you can take this one URL once again. Copy. I came to here. Create. Now I have put it over here. Now you would like to make customization. I would like to make this URL as the name of TG. I want to make it as a Devi. I want to make it as a Aslam Bhai. Whatever you want, you can do it. How you can do it? This is customized backup. Here I would like to change. Okay, I have written Aslam. Okay. Now let's see. Can I save it? Link has been edited. Okay. So whatever name you can do, alphabetical ABC 1, 2, 3, but don't give anything @ kind of thing. Copy this. Now copy this. Now here save. Link has been edited. Now copy and then again paste. So put it in the next, paste it, enter. So now Aslam is opening. With the name Aslam you have written, now Aslam page is opening. Is it visible? Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible. Yeah, thank you.
Yes.
Anil sir, we have to write after the /
So
or
whatever name you can take, Tom, Dick, Harry, you can do it. Make sense?
Yes, Anil. We have
question, please.
We have to do after /.
Yes, only after forward slash.
After forward slash.
We have to write. Okay. All right. Yeah. Perfect. Makes sense.
Fortunately, we have seen the two people picture over here. The both people are present over here. So I would like to invite Devi and our Aslam Bhai, which photo you have already seen it. So can I request our next host for IVM, Traveler Ji will announce it. Over to you, Traveler Ji.
Thank you. And Devi, welcome as the host, and Anilji, co-host, and our main speaker will be our friend and Connect Live attendee, our LG Aslam Muhammad from Hyderabad. So welcome Devi, and kindly give us a brief about the next week, Sunday, 6:30. What are you going to do? Over to Devi.
Hi, local guys. Meet again with Devi. I was inspirational virtual meetup for on Sunday, 26 July. So be there, please, because we will have some inspiration meetup, and we will hear stories from our dear Aslam Muhammad. Yay! So come there, okay? Don't forget to register to the meetup. Me and Anil will host you. See you there.
Thank you very much, Devi. Thank you very much, Devi. Now, fortunately, we also have Aslam Bhai with us. So may I request Aslam Bhai just say hi to everybody.
Hi everyone.
Aslam Bhai, just show your face
sorry,
at
please
least.
go ahead.
People would like to see you.
Oh my God! You should have warned me before. I would have, been. See, I can never compare with you, Anilji. I don't have that, smile.
The smiley face.
Yeah, the smiley face. Nobody can
Thank
compare.
you very
with
much
Anilji.
for both of our guests. So coming and sharing with you. This is the wonderful things, and so a wonderful occasion. Congratulations, Tushar, and congratulations, Bikram Bhai, for giving me this opportunity to introduce our guest over here. Thank you, Devi. Thank you, Aslam Bhai, Over to you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Anil ji, for knowledge enhancing. That URL shortening is going to be used by everyone because everyone faces the problem of very lengthy. Some URLs are half page. Like if you copy paste, they're going to half page. We don't know where it starts, where it ends, and this is going to save a lot of. I'll share my screen and I'll show you. I present with you. We are going to start in a minute. A very fun and exciting quiz, which is a photo quiz. We'll be presenting 2 photos to you, and you have to find out the word. But before that, I would just like to flash in a quick moment the winners of the last previous session, WGS 13. Are you able to see my screen, everyone?
No, sir.
Not yet, sir.
No.
No?
Not yet.
Okay. Shreya, are you there? Sophie?
Yes. Now Tushar Shivadkar screen.
Yes,
is
we are coming up.
Yes, sir. Presenting. No.
Hey, congratulations, Falguni.
So, Falguni,
Congrats.
I don't think Falguni is with us.
Congratulations, Falguni and Aditya.
Aditya, and they both were quite super excited about the quiz last time, and they were just giving each other a tough time. Very, they were neck to neck going with each point. They both scored 5 correct answers, and I'll quickly move on to.
Wow.
Should we start, Jeet? Okay,
Yes,
now
you can start
please get ready with your. Are you able to see the quiz, everyone?
Yeah, now we can see that.
Okay. This is the photo. It is 2 in 1. You can see there is one person in the wearing a goggle. There is the background. So into your chat box, you have to type what this represents. We have already covered a topic, which was the first topic.
Somebody
of
take care of chat
covered
box
by
and let the others know that who had typed first. Can somebody do that?
Yeah. I'm not able to see the chat actually.
Yeah, we are into it,
Yeah,
sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Please,
thank you.
I am full screen now. So you have to guess the word. There are two things into same picture, which gives you a word. And this is related to our first topic, which was conducted by Travelerji sir. You have to guess the word and you have to type it in the chat box. Can I reveal?
We are
Do we have
getting,
any winners?
we are getting the first answer we got virtual tour by Jean, and we are also getting answers Google Lens by Rosie called. So the answers are going on very
Okay, so
competitively.
can you please tell me when?
Yeah. Yatrida Pandey.
I should reveal the answer.
I think Yatrida Pandey said that virtual background. She is the one who first.
All right. Yeah. Fantastic.
Jean is the first one.
So that's correct. That virtual background, because there's a background and it's a virtual reality. Okay, we'll go for the next one. Find the word and type your answer in the chat.
Raghavendra Nayak ji first with virtual background. Yeah.
What is the answer?
Okay. Somebody tap it. Just yeah.
So can I reveal?
Yes, sir. We got the
Yes,
answer.
can I reveal the answer?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yeah.
Do we have any winners?
Feliciani got that.
Feliciana is the winner, the first
Feliciana
one.
G.
Yeah, followed by
We have got
Jean
water and we have got marks.
and RT.
Okay. So the next question is on your screen.
No.
The answers are really
Again,
fast now. This
Namesh
is super
Kumari.
competitive. Yeah,
Again,
Namesh.
Nimmi.
Yes, Namesh.
Time is over.
Congratulations, Namesh.
So that is the correct answer. Here comes the next one. So what do you have on your left side? Okay, your time is over.
Everybody, come on.
Time is over.
Oh, Pramod, you can't say that. You are part of the admin team. Pramod, you cannot participate.
And you cannot reveal the answer.
Again. Again.
Yeah, Namlesh Kumari, Nimmi.
All right, we have got a winner. Congratulations. Yeah, so Nimi is going. Nimi from Gurugram, and I'm also from Gurugram. So Gurugram people are
I
the
know.
most intelligent people on.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
So she has 2 now. Her score is 2.
Fantastic. Gurugram, come on, Gurugram people.
Feliciana, again, Feliciana ji. Feliciana.
I think the word is taking time now, so it's not clear here. Speed is also very clear.
Yeah, Feliciana has scored that.
Okay, we will go move to the next one. Okay, we will wait for more time. Oh my God, we have got the answer in the.
Who's answering that? Don't use mic. Type.
Yeah. It should be verbal test, na? Writing it's a time.
So who's that? Nuhu Ibrahim.
I speak
Ibrahim.
the first two.
Yep.
Yeah, Ibrahim. Nuhu
It is me
Ibrahim.
here.
Put that first.
Okay.
Yeah. I answered next. So this is answered.
So
Vishal,
next, please.
can we move ahead? Now this should be very fast. Who is going there?
Come on.
The kind of meeting you are at, I don't know.
Better type, please.
There's so many options.
You can phone a friend. I've got many lifetimes. Yeah.
Aarti got it.
Aarti.
Aarti Shinde, yes.
Yeah,
Very
we
good, very good. It was a
answer,
very tough
but
one.
the full answer was given by Arti. Yeah, thank you so much.
So Aarti got 2. Her score is 2 now, right?
All right. The time starts now.
Tick 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 tick.
Google Doodle, yeah, maybe.
Well, you got a lifeline. You can phone a friend. Oh, 50-50.
Teacher, sir, please help me out.
Okay, the clue is
You can call a
about
friend.
the pictures. If you look at it, something special about the picture. Based on that, you can tell.
Yeah, the second clue. Can I give second clue?
Yes, please.
Can you, when you zoom the picture,
Okay.
this is what you see. Zoom the maximum. Now the time's up. Mr. Google Pixel. Who said that? Feliciana.
Feliciana. Oh, congratulations.
Oh.
Okay, this
Competition between Feliciana and Nimmi.
is for the more challenging.
Oh. What is this?
Nah, this is it. Oh no. Wonderful. No Ibrahim. No Ibrahim
Oh,
got
we
it.
got a winner.
No, Ibrahim got it. Right?
Wow.
Yeah, that's he's 22 now.
No.
Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. So these were 10.
Yeah.
That was a good one. Congratulations to everyone.
Yay.
Who's the winner this time?
Nimbi and Feliciana.
Feliciana.
Nimmi has 3 points and Feliciana has 3 points.
Can the winner come on the screen? Oh. And can we see? Can the winner say hi to everyone? Thank you. Hi.
Hi. Thank you so much. Hi.
Hi,
Am I the winner or not?
But say hi, doesn't matter. Say hi.
Hi everyone. Hi.
Hi.
All right. Without taking much time, I would just like to say thank you to all the presenters, Traveler G sir, my friend Ajit, and of course Anil ji. Thank you so much for your beautiful and wonderful presentations. We learned a lot today, and it's going to be useful for us for lifetime. I think those 3 topics were wonderful, and I think everyone is going to use it in their work. Thank you so much, sir.
So just a point, you know, what we could not complete it. Just what we could not complete today, the 2 sessions on mobile watermark.
Which one, sir? Oh, okay, yeah.
And mobile watermark, the virtual background balance. So both we will cover in the next week. I mean, it's a promise. We can announce it, re-announce it. Please, we will accommodate it next week.
Yes, sir, we can accommodate that. Thank you. Definitely will cover.
Yeah, sure, sir. That's an announcement. Yeah. Because adding virtual background, it's something very exciting. You can escape anyone from your background. If kids are playing or anyone is moving around, you can still have yourself in background during your Google meetups. I think people are still joining.
Feliciana, who's the winner?
Vikram?
I think she's the winner, right? Who's the winner? Feliciana. We need a photograph for certification. Kindly make sure of that.
Nimi has got a lot of contribution. Not only she is a winner, she is running behind the show. She is helping us out. And Nimi, don't worry, don't run. Huh? We are going to take your help in IBM 4 too. Okay.
Yeah, we'll need that.
I will connect you personally for that.
Just save for IBM 4. Save for IBM 4.
Sure, sir. Sure. Thank you so much, Anil sir.
Yeah.
Nimi is an international celebrity.
Oh, sir, please. No.
Surely a good dancer, no doubt about that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
No,
so some of the backgrounds I'm keeping.
Shall I call Iwade now?
Sorry, sir?
You are saying don't say no. If you don't say, I can call Iwade for witness. Okay, thank you very much for your valuable participation.
Thank you so much.
I would like to invite our Vikram ji, our core team, Sophie madam, our Bijon ji, our Gurupriya madam. Kindly come on the Jason sir, Traveler ji. Please put on your camera live and say thanks and bye. Say people would like to see you.
Thank you.
And wave your hands.
Thank you.
These are the hero working behind the scene.
Thank you.
We have to clap for them.
Thank
We have
you.
to clap for them.
Thank you all. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Hope to see you on coming
Thank you.
Saturday,
See you
that is
again.
25th, WGS 15. Yeah, hope to see you all there. From
Over
Vikram
to
sir
you,
will be the
Jason sir.
host. Yeah.
Sophie or others who have not introduced, if any new guest is there, kindly allow them to introduce, please.
Yes. There are many. Sophie, you can take over for
I
that.
think we have Ernas here. She's not the first time here. She's always been here. But for now, ma'am, please come forward and let us know your name. And there are other people who wants to know about you. So Erna, ma'am, please.
Hello all. Yeah, my name is Erna, and I'm from Michigan, USA. I'm currently level 8.
Hi.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you,
It's
ma'am.
always
Thank you
a
so
very
much.
Thank you
always
very
a
much for
very
coming. Thank
informative
you.
meetup, guys. I enjoy the meetup every week if I got time to, or if I got internet to access the meetup. Sometimes, I'm camping. So thank you so much, guys.
And we
Yeah.
interact
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
We really love your post in
Thank
Kamen.
you
We
very
really
much.
love
We
all
love
these
your post
camping
and everything
details.
you do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yes. And now we have Inda, ma'am, please. We are so happy to have you, ma'am, again. So please come forward. Inda, ma'am, are you there? Please introduce yourself.
Sure, thank you. Sorry, it's on and off here. Good evening, everyone. As always, it's a great meeting. Enjoying it, although I'm not very active. I'm Indah, by the way, Indah Nuria Savitri from Jakarta, Indonesia, level 10, and happy to be here with everybody.
Hi.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. We are so happy to have you again. Namarish,
Likewise,
ma'am,
honey.
if you are. Yeah.
Next, we have Dr. Please introduce yourself.
Douglas,
Hello?
ma'am, please.
Hi, hello. Hi, good evening. I'm Del. I'm Deliana from Tangerang, Indonesia. I'm level 7, and I really enjoy, this meetup. So whenever I have the time, so I really like to join because I'm learning many things from you guys. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Next, we
Thank you so
have
much.
Nuhu
Yeah.
Ibrahim.
Hi, hello everyone.
Nuhu, please tell us about yourself.
So this is
You're
my
from?
first time joining. I'm from Nigeria.
Ah, yeah.
Yes. Good afternoon or good evening.
What level?
Since it's afternoon
Good
here. Sorry,
evening.
I'm level
What level
7.
you are?
I'm level
Nice.
7, local guide.
Okay. Awesome.
Still growing, baby steps.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you for coming.
Nice to meet you all.
Nice to see you every weekend.
Next, we have Shruti ma'am, Mumbai. Please introduce yourself.
Namaskar. I'm Shruti from Mumbai, level 10 local guide. And
Bye,
Thanks,
Anik. Bye,
everyone.
everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for
Bye.
the nice
All the
meetup,
best.
guys.
Bye. All the
Always,
best. Bye.
yeah, always very informative. Bye-bye now.
Thank you.
Jason,
Yeah,
sir,
You too.
can we
Bye-bye.
stop recording?
Jason sir, can we stop now?
All right, guys, I have to go too. Bye-bye. Thanks for
Bye-bye.
the wonderful
Thank
meeting.
you so much.
Bye-bye. See you next week.
Yeah. See you next time. Yeah.
Next
Right.
Thank you
weekend,
so much.
Saturday and Sunday. Remember that.
Okay.
No.
No problem.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you.
And
Jason?
congratulations, Tushar and